Genes are passed down from parents to offspring, often determining traits like hair color, personality, and even eye color. My genes are blue.
Sydney's tweenie, Casper Genes.
Yes, the genes/genes, Genes. That pun was really intentional. Look at the picture. That's what you call a double entendre. But when you pair the word great genes with a very specific image, a thin, blonde-haired, blue-eyed white woman, you're not just talking about pants anymore. The message is not subliminal anymore, not in this political climate. It's a very, very obvious dog whistle. And that's the thing. If they really wanted to celebrate genes in a very empowering way, they could have used people from different backgrounds talking about their heritage, their traits, the stuff they carry with pride in their DNA. Instead, they chose one image, one standard, and whether they meant to or not, that choice has weight. And this is where we have to talk about eugenics, because a lot of people don't actually know what that means. Eugenics is the belief that you can improve the human race by encouraging certain people to reproduce or discourage them, and even preventing others, from having kids. It's been used throughout history to justify controlling who gets to exist based on what society calls desirable or undesirable traits. There's what's called positive eugenics, which is when society pushes for people with good traits or good characteristics, things like physical appearance, intelligence, athletic ability to reproduce more. And then there's negative eugenics, which is when society tries to limit or erase people with traits. It's deemed bad, like disabilities, certain ethnic backgrounds, or anything that doesn't fit the dominant standard. So when a campaign says great genes and then frames that phrase with one specific kind of body, face, and heritage, it might be trying to be cheeky, but it's also echoing a much darker history about who society thinks has good traits and who doesn't. And the thing is, we're in a time where a certain person in power and certain people are openly pushing a very white-centered agenda. So when you put out an ad like this in this political climate, with this casting and that word choice, it's not careless. This is a very intentional message. Marketing is always very intentional, and it caters to a very specific audience. And this audience has been told for years that their genes are great, and they've been told that their genes are the ones that are worth celebrating.